Oh, hold on, let me switch. There you go. It was set on extend. This is the finder that Rob wants to talk about. What we have the Launchpad. So we think we're doing with Apple devices that we're doing with PC devices what we've been doing for Apple for at least the last 5 years. We would be able to bring them out of the box and enroll them, and then be able to deploy applications to them and configure it for them. We've been doing that longer than we have for Windows, because Mac is usually way ahead of the program on a lot of things. The authentication application that you talked about, the one we use, is Nomad. We installed Nomad, that's the connector between the operating system of Mac and Active Directory for login. But even then, we're getting away from that because Jamf has one built in, so we're starting to uninstall Nomad as well. So through Jamf, which is the Apple device management tool, they have a self-service option that we can set up, we configure, and so we're going to start populating more applications on there. So we're just going to install bare bones like the Mac OS and maybe Office and maybe Adobe Acrobat Reader. But then we're going to list in here, it's not going to do stuff not on our campus, but basically this is like the store to download any applications the customer might need. So we have everything on there. We have like at least 20 for now, where unlike in Windows, we have like close to 50, if not more, that the user can download themselves. So just turn that over to see the thing. Let me change the resolution. The main thing that comes is a menu.